just hold on. I'm trying to get to the legal part because this is the part I need to know.
Okay.
So you were assigned an attorney, and so the court. How I want to word this. So at any point did the court say you have to do certain services?
No.
The court never ordered you
I had to do drug screens. I had to have three clean screens before I was able to do visitation. I had my first 3 clean screens in the first week, and I didn't get to see my kids for a whole month.
Okay, so why didn't you let your attorney know that?
I did.
Okay, and what did your attorney say?
She called CPS, and they told her that they were low on staff. As soon as they had a visitation case aide, that's when they would start my visitation.
So let me just stop for a second, okay? Because this is what I want you to understand, okay? And hopefully you never go through this again. But if you have another child and something happens, I just want to say this. If you have an attorney assigned to you,
yep,
and they're not representing you properly, you need to request a new attorney.
Oh.
Because, so for example, if the court ordered you could have visitation and the agency wasn't giving you visitation,
and we petitioned the court.
Okay, that's a matter where your attorney could have said, hey, they're not giving her visitation with her children, and the judge ordered her to have visitation.
We did. Okay,
so let's move forward a little bit, because I need to get down to the nitty-gritty of what the outcome was in the end. What happened, what caused the court not to give you the children back? What did the court say, why they didn't give the children back to you?
Best interest of the child. I had all of my classes done.
Did they say it was something?
Nope.
Okay, I want you to tell me their version, and you can tell me what happened in your version. But what did the court say on it wasn't in the best interest? Why?
They didn't say. Look, the guardian litem of my children weren't even there for the termination. They had a sit-in lawyer.
Okay, that's neither here or there, okay? It's neither here or there, because in the court of law, if it's an attorney present, sometimes attorneys aren't in court for various reasons.
Okay.
So the judge and see, here's the thing about this whole case. Even though you're saying this Miss Gonzalez lady did this and this and that, even if Miss Gonzalez did do something, the court is the ones who authorize everything. So if the court reviews and the prosecuting attorney, they make the decision on everything.
Good.
Okay.
Good, because Indiana just approved that I can go get my kids.
Okay, so if Indiana proves you can go get your kids, then you go get your kids through Indiana. But that's not really how it works. So I don't know everything they've told you.
Just like you guys did. You guys walked in my home, you took my kids, she wasn't even a worker.
Okay, so let me ask you this. You keep saying she wasn't a worker. Explain that to me when you say she wasn't a worker.
Okay, can you go on www.michigan.gov right now? Are you able to do that?
Yeah, but if
I want you to go on there, and I want you to go on to where it says the payroll.
No, I'm not going to be doing that because that's a DHS issue.
Oh.
I can't do anything about that, okay?
Oh, you can't do anything that she was not employed for them in the year that she took my child.
Let me just say this, okay?
And the FBI, I hope you know, the FBI has the report and already ran her that she was not an employee.
Okay, so it sounds like, ma'am, and what I'm trying to get down to is what the court did right now, because the court reviews what DHS does. So in a court case like this, there's a prosecuting attorney that represents the department.
Yep, that was drunk.
There's a judge.
That was arrested for being drunk.
Okay.
That was my prosecuting attorney.
A referee, a judge, a prosecuting attorney, an attorney for each parent involved, and a guardian ad litem.
Yep.
And then there's a director at DHS and supervisors and stuff. So it's a whole bunch of different people involved in a foster care case.
That is correct.
So here's the bottom line. Okay?
Yep.
And because people call us all the time who have had parental rights terminated and stuff.
Well,
so here's the thing.
I just got done with 4 years. I got 4 years of criminal justice in, so I don't know where you're gonna. go over the law here with me.
No,
Let's get down to the law, to the point of the things.
Ma'am, what I'm trying to say to you is, that's why I was asking you for the details, because most people in this office would have not even took this much information.
Do you realize that I didn't even have a criminal background prior to this? I had never been arrested a day before in my life, and I sit here with no felonies.
Okay. And so, what you talking about? You was arrested for what?
I have not been I was never arrested before. Anything.
Oh, okay, I understand.
So where's the
But that's a whole different issue than...
How's that a different issue? That people that have multiple felonies get their children back?
Hold on a second, okay? Because I was trying to ask you something about the court.
Okay, so, go on with your question about the court.
Okay, so in Michigan, were you at the hearing when they said your rights was being terminated? Here in Michigan?
Yes, I was there.
Okay, and so when they did that, did they tell you you had 14 days to appeal it with the Court of Appeals?
Yep, I sure did, and I put my paper in, and you have to have $20,000 for the damn transcripts, I'm being told.
Okay, that's a whole different thing. Let me explain.
No, it's not. So, that's what the court said.
Hold on a second, sir, because I don't want to. I know that you guys went through an ordeal, and part of this job here at this office is to explain things. And so you have you're telling me what happened, and I'm trying to let you know what Michigan law is as regards to them terminating a parental right. Because there's not a whole lot of different options. So just hear me out for 1 second, okay?
Yep.
Just hear me out for 1 second.
I need that ombudsman from Indiana's email so I can listen to her and I can read her the email from them. Go on. Go ahead.
Even if you sent me that, it wouldn't change anything, okay? Because there's a law here. So
yeah, and they said that you broke it.
Okay, this is what I'm trying to explain. And I can send you over to the Court of Appeals and they can explain it to you.
Yeah, I wish you would. We can skip all this and you can send me over there right now. I wish you would.
I just want actually get Gonzalez's address.
Thank you.
So we can have her arrested.
Okay, as I look it up. Can I just say a couple things while I'm looking up their number?
I would like to know what you think the law is of not changing modifying a custody order.
We don't deal with custody orders.
Okay, well, that's the whole